Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see. Nope, we're moving. Oh, look at it. Look. Yeah, dropping. But the weird thing is, it doesn't happen in park or neutral. It only happens in driving or reverse when I come to a stop. Let's see if I have enough time in this recording to make it to right here. There's nobody behind me. I can just stop back here. Right about here. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Oh, going back up. It gets worse when it warms up. So kind of pain in the ass. Oh.